So, hi, today date is 29th November. Okay, I have taken a trade today and I got a decent profit and I closed my positions. Today also I made some mistakes. I will tell you what are my mistakes and you have to learn from my mistakes. So, I also trying to not commit those mistakes in future. Okay, let's have a view about today position. Today if you have seen SGX Nifty in the morning, it was drastically some 300 points gap up. I have not taken any BTST. My view was bearish because market sentiment is bearish. I'm ready to take a position whenever this swing low has been broken. Okay, just a minute. I'll made this some thick color. So just a minute. So my this was the yesterday closing. I mean Friday closing is this. So I'm ready to take a position whenever this swing low broke. So if this swing low broken, I'll take a bearish position. But market is opening some 300 points above. See, 300 points above gap up has been happened. So I thought if market is opening in gap up, if it is form any green candle, I don't take any sell position. I'll wait for the opportunity. But if market crosses this swing low, immediately I'll take a bearish position either in Nifty or Bank Nifty. That is what my plan. So I'm going to 5 minutes chart and in Nifty also I'm putting it to 5 minutes chart. So you can see this. Here some interesting thing happened today. SGS Nifty was trading around 17,200 at 9 o'clock. SGX Nifty was trading around 17,200 at 9 o'clock. I will show you that one also. See, time 9 o'clock. Approximately it is trading around 17,160. Okay, it is trading around 17,160. When SGX Nifty is trading around 160, but our Nifty has been opened at 060, almost 100 points below our Nifty has been opened. So that means our people, our Indian market people are not interested to open the Nifty higher level. So they are still in a bearish position. That's why Nifty has not gap up opened at 17,160. Okay, so almost here our people are negative. Even though SGX Nifty is trading at 160, but our Nifty opened at 17,060, almost 100 points below it has opened. So at that particular point of time, I'm having some more confidence. Okay, our sentiment is still bearish. If this swing low is broken, I'll take a bearish position. So immediately market opened, first 5-minute candle. This swing low has broken. I put both the charts, Nifty and Bank Nifty, both the charts I took a position at the money call. Okay, Nifty also I took a position, Bank Nifty also I took a position, both at the money call, single lot, because I don't want to give any huge stop loss. So my stop loss is 1000 rupees. So if it is hit, I'll get 1000 rupees loss in Nifty, I'll get 1000 rupees loss in Bank Nifty. I'll stop trading on that day. So that is my view. So I took one lot only, Nifty one lot, Bank Nifty also one lot. Okay, I will show you the positions. So this is my orders. First order Bank Nifty 915. I took one lot. Nifty I took one lot. After that, within a 1 minute, I took a one more lot in Bank Nifty. I'll tell you the reason for that also. At the same time, I have worked out in my option selling account also. I will show you those orders even. So I took a call short position at 917. I shorted 36,000 call. This is a hedge to reduce the investment. So I shorted a call in my option selling account, I bought a put in my option buying account. Okay, so coming to the point, these levels are very important. Whenever you are taking a position, don't hold it blindly. I got to know this today because this red candle is forming and you are seeing the profits here. You will be very happy, and you don't know when this red candle is going to stop and it is going to become a green candle. That you don't know. When you will know that? By having these levels. Okay, I just tell you how I draw these levels. Because market is here, this swing low is broken, so my my thought is that okay, market is going to fall, but where is the next support? That is main important. So I went to 1 hour candle. I have zoomed out. So market is breaking this level. Okay, morning market is breaking this level. So where is the next support? Immediately I have seen these levels. So in this particular area there is no support. There is no support. It is a continuously trending area. So next support will be here. So I draw these two lines. I draw these two lines in Nifty and Bank in Nifty, and I came back to my position. So if market, I'll hold till market comes to this level. So I have a guarantee. If market comes to this level, if it is reverse or if it is given a small negative scenario, I'll exit. So I have these two levels. At the same time, in Bank Nifty also, I go back to 1 hour candle, 1 hour chart. I have seen, okay, this level is going to break. This level is going to break. So where is the next support? So this is the trending area. This is the next support. One place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place. If you keep on seeing, it will show you some other areas also. So this many areas, this particular level has been respected. So you can consider this level will be next support. So I came back to my position and I'm waiting. Whenever market comes to this level and if it give any scenario, I'll exit. So I'm in that mood, and after that first 5 minutes candle is going to close. Here it is. Okay, uh, first 5 minutes candle is going to close. Bar replay, I'll do this from here. See, I'll show you what happened. So this is first 5 minutes candle. Okay, okay, it is very fast. Okay, I'll just reduce the speed. So I'm just doing this to have a understanding. Okay, I'll just do it again. See, market open, first 5 minutes candle is going to close. Okay, anyway, this is very fast. Okay, I'm unable to make you people understand because this I don't know how to use this. This is the first time I'm using. Again I'll try. If it is not coming, then I'll not do it anything. So from here, market is going to open now. Okay, let's see how it will look like. Play. I'm just doing this to tell you what my mind is running. So see, this is the particular point of time. Anyway, this is very fast. Okay, I'll just close this and I'll tell you I'll just tell you what was happened. Okay, this particular 5 minute candle is going to close. Okay, I'm watching the countdown timer at that particular point of time, and this particular 5 minutes candle is going to close. There is almost 10 seconds balance, 10 seconds or 20 seconds balance. So within this 10 seconds, damn sure that this is not, this is going to close almost here only. It cannot go up to here and it can close here because there is only 10 seconds time to close the first 5 minutes candle. So whenever first 5 minutes candle became this much red, so many traders are going to be ready. If this particular 5 minutes candle low broken, they are ready to take in new positions. Okay, this one everything no. So I am also thinking in the way of new trader who is not took a position. So I thought that if this particular 5 minutes candle closed in red, immediately next candle also will be red. So I have added one more lot here in Bank Nifty. So that is the reason I have added one more lot in Bank Nifty at 358. Okay, sorry, at 562. My entry was 504, second lot is 562. So immediately I entered in my second lot. At that particular time point of time, Nifty is also drastically falling, Bank Nifty also drastically falling. I have not even waited for this red candle. You can't believe my level is here, but at the same time I should also respect my profit. At that particular point of time my profit is 11,000, and my mind is saying that if something is reverse, you should respect your trailing stop loss. If my 11,000 will become 10,000, immediately I'll exit. I don't know, I don't want these levels also, so I'm ready. But my 11,000 has became 8,000 again. After this red candle started forming again, it came to 11,000. So immediately I exited my position, because on Friday I have done a mistake. I booked 14,000, but due to some over greediness I took a new position. I lost a magic figure, because 14,000 is a magic figure. As of now I have not achieved it. So that day I lost that particular thing, and I got too much regret. So today I don't want to regret. When market is giving me 11,000, I booked my position and I'm just close my eyes and stop trading. At the same time I came back to my option by selling position. There also I have booked my position around 3,000. Okay, at that particular point of time my option selling is having 3,000 rupees profit, and my option buying is having 11,000 profit, 11,800 profit. I stopped the trading. I thought that if any opportunity comes I will do trade with a new stop loss. Okay, so now coming to my second mistake. So when market come back here and it is reversed here, and in this area one more red candle is getting formed. Same in the Nifty also. In this area it came to trend line and it reversed at the trend line, and one red candle has got formed. So immediately I thought that okay, market is going to continue this fall. So I took a new position here in again. But in my stocks my mentality will get very much disturbed, because it's a round figure. I can't lose this round figure, so I don't want to risk my profit. I took a new position in my first stock, because already I have 3,000 rupees profit. I can risk this profit. So I took a new position. But what was the mistake I have done? I should have taken one lot, but I have taken two lots due to overconfident. So this was the mistake I have done. So you should not be overconfident. So that is the main thing. See, I have taken a 50 quantity. Okay, I should have taken a 25 quantity, and as per my stop loss rules I should have exited at 1,000 rupees loss. Then my overall profit would have been 2,000. But due to overconfidence I took two lots, and I have not I was when this particular see when this particular candle is forming, I took a position here. Immediately it went reversed and my stop loss hit, and I'm in a thought that market is going to fall, and I have not respected my stop loss also. At 40 points I should have exited, but I have exited at 80 points. So that cost me 4,000 rupees loss. Ultimately my option selling 3,000 rupees profit has went to 1,200 rupees loss. So this is the very big mistake. Whenever you have a profits, you should have to think how much profits I can be able to risk from this. For example, see 11,800 rupees I have earned. Okay, Again you got a new opportunity. So one should have to think, in this 11,000 how much you can sacrifice, how much profit you can sacrifice. That thing you have to decide first. Okay, I can sacrifice only 1,000 rupees, then you should take one lot only. If your mentality say no, okay, I can sacrifice 2,000 rupees, then you can take two lots only. If you are not able to sacrifice more than 2,000 rupees and you're taking just four lots, within 40 points move, you will lose 4,000 rupees and your psychology will get disturbed. So that is the main thing you have to understand. Okay. So after that, I thought that okay, enough is enough. 1,200 loss. More than this loss, I cannot afford. So almost 11,000 rupees profit I got. If I show you the funds, my funds are 46,000. So this profit is not included in this. So this is my 11,000 rupees account. I was very happy. My milestone is to make it 1 lakh. So with 11,000 I have started this one from 28th October. So today's date is 29th November. 46,000 plus 11,000. Now it has been reached almost 58 57,000, I think. Okay, it has been reached 57,000 level. I'm respecting my stop loss. So thank you so much. This is my video. I'll make a video when I'll make a great video when I'll make it 1 lakh. So thank you so much. So try to learn from my mistakes. So these mistakes are very important. You should not do it. So thank you.